enchanting tour of the Vatican Museums where art and history intertwine. Marvel at the grandeur of the Sistine Chapel, its ceiling a masterpiece of divine inspiration. Bask in the architectural splendor of St. Peter's Basilica, a testament to Renaissance ingenuity. Each corner reveals ancient secrets and breathtaking beauty, inviting you to experience spirituality and artistry in one magnificent journey. Title: Unveiling the Treasures of the Vatican. A journey through the Vatican Museums, Sistine Chapel, St. Peter's Basilica. Embark on a journey through the rich history and breathtaking beauty of the Vatican City, with a tour of its most iconic landmarks. The Vatican Museums, Sistine Chapel, and St. Peter's Basilica. This once-in-a-lifetime experience will take you through centuries of art, culture, and spirituality, offering a glimpse into the heart of the Catholic Church and the masterpieces that have shaped Western civilization. Exploring the Vatican Museums. The Vatican Museums are a treasure trove of art and history, housing one of the most extensive collections in the world. From ancient Roman sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, the museums offer a comprehensive overview of Western art through the ages. Highlights include the Gallery of Maps, the Raphael Rooms, and the Borgia Apartments, each showcasing the artistic genius of their respective eras. The crown jewel, the Sistine Chapel. No visit to the Vatican would be complete without a stop at the Sistine Chapel, home to Michelangelo's iconic frescoes. The chapel's ceiling, painted by Michelangelo between 1508 and 1512, is a masterpiece of Western art and a testament to the artist's unparalleled skill and vision. The Last Judgment, located on the chapel's altar wall, is another awe-inspiring work that continues to captivate visitors with its dramatic intensity and emotional power. The magnificent St. Peter's Basilica. As the largest church in the world, St. Peter's Basilica is a testament to the grandeur and beauty of Baroque architecture. Designed by renowned architects such as Michelangelo and Bernini, the Basilica is a masterpiece of religious art and a symbol of the Catholic faith. Highlights include Michelangelo's Pietà, Bernini's Baldacchino, and the stunning dome, which offers panoramic views of the Vatican City and Rome. The Vatican Gardens. A tranquil oasis. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with a stroll through the Vatican Gardens, a peaceful oasis of greenery and tranquility. Covering over 23 hectares, the gardens are a hidden gem within the Vatican City, offering a serene retreat from the crowds and a glimpse into the natural beauty of the Holy See. Highlights include the Vatican Radio Tower, the Fountain of the Eagle, and the Grotto of Lourdes, each adding to the garden's charm and allure. The Vatican Necropolis, a journey into the past. Delve into the ancient history of the Vatican with a visit to the Vatican Necropolis, a burial ground dating